Good morning and welcome back to Travels with Bird. Today we're at the end of Pasai Beach where we ended our last video.
Yeah, that's right. And Pasai Beach I think is one of the longest on the island. Not as long as Long Beach where we were in the previous video. But anyway, we're going to continue from here and we're going to continue around the bottom of the island, the southern end, and back up the west coast, which is the beaches that you didn't see in the last video. On Pasai Beach, I think we've got a little bit of everything, right? We've got restaurants, we've got bars, we've got
massages.
How much?
Massages.
Oh yeah, massage places. We've got what else have we got? Oh, little corner stores, convenience stores, stuff like that. Just about everything. It's probably the most popular beach on the island. So from here, we're going to go to a small beach, which is just around the corner there. And it's quite difficult to get to, despite the fact it's just there. We have to go inland and we have to go down some funny little roads to reach it. So while we do that, take a look from upstairs.
So, we don't know the name of this beach, but it seems to be an extension of Pasai Beach, as you can see behind me. At low tide, you can walk from Pasai to the connecting beach. Due to the road, not many tourists, but very popular for kayakers.
Okay, so let's see what else we can find. So now we're at a place called Hideout Beach, which is a pretty good name because you can't see it. It's actually down there somewhere, and there's another beach behind me down here which you also can't see. We'll take a look at the aerial view in a moment and then you'll understand what I mean. And in the distance there you can see Koh Tao, and over this way is Yao Noi. So that's about it from here. Let's take a look from upstairs.
Really a beach?
Well, sort of, isn't it? I call it Purana Beach because Purana Hotel is on the right here, but I don't know what its real name is. I think it's more of a beachlet. Is that a word? Okay, now this one definitely does have a name. This is Pao Beach, but again there's not much of it because the tide is quite a long way in this morning. There's not much at all, is there?
No.
Just a little strip of sand. Okay, so I think that's it for Yao Noi beaches. We've made 2 videos. We've seen lots of beaches. Which one's the best, do you think?
Probably I did like Long Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Little Long Beach was better.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so next we'll move on to jetties, which is where we are now. Maybe we'll start here. This is Pao Jetty. So for now, it's goodbye from
May.
And it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from Bert.
Bert.
Goodbye.